McFarlane Ag took a really good product and made it a lot better when they converted their standard reel disc to the technologically advanced Cobra reel disc. Implementing new processing technologies, the Cobra reel disc works well on any farm. The key to this spring or fall tillage tool is the Cobra disc blade. Utilizing a proprietary process, these blades made from boron alloy steel provide a hardness that maintains their long-term strength and durability. Today, these blades are known as some of the sharpest in the field and are hydraulically adjustable to be more aggressive and tackle tough soil conditions and easily size residue. The Cobra incorporates our Dura-Reel chopper to size up field residue and mix it into the soil. Finishing options on the Cobra include our 3-bar harrow with rolling basket, double rolling basket, or the new hydraulically adjustable Spur-Till for aggressive weed removal and residue mixing. A vertical tillage tool to match any conditions you throw at it, the Cobra reel disc comes in widths up to 45 feet to cover more ground in a single pass.